Yes, very good. See, guys, she is very big YouTuber and she's teach many co-learners and many beginners to improve English and guide and many types of information provide with beginners. But she is right now using mobile phone and spoiling her time in waste of time of mobile phone using. So, see, guys, what she is doing right now. And why you are using your mobile phone and spoiling your time? Why? Tell me why you are using your mobile phone here?
My mobile phone is an asset for me, it has helped me for my improving my communication skill, and because of it I have made my career itself by learning and by teaching from this mobile phone. But yes, right now I was just scrolling.
Scrolling. Okay, but when we are using mobile phone, we scrolling mobile phone. So that is addiction for
It's not
people.
addiction.
Why not addiction?
It's not addiction. It depends on person's mentality, like if they are using it for a good purpose or for a bad purpose. For people who are not specifying their timetable or deciding their task, they are addicted to it, like they use mindlessly. I'm very mindful of my time and the free time also, when I scroll, when I watch YouTube, or when I consume content. So it's not an addiction for me.
Okay, but now I'm creating your video and people see Rajni ma'am using mobile phone. So then what's the message for मतलब उनको क्या message आएगा मतलब उससे?
Yeah, that's I agree. But if they want to learn from me anything, they can learn a lot of great things from me.
Okay.
As they know already, a lot of people on Try to Thrive YouTube channel must have watched me that I use mobile phone, I use social media a lot for my learning purpose. At the same time, I decide some time for me for entertainment too. So I have balance between both. So I think people should learn from me to have a balance between entertainment and learning.
Okay, but one more thing, when we using mobile phone, you know, multiple types of health issues when we use mobile phone, when we scrolling Instagram, when we scrolling reels. So that time we face multiple types of health issues. You know.
Yeah, I know that we face health issues, but it happens only when you are not mindful that how much you are using it. If for 12 hours in a day you are continuously using that, you are in front of screen, then you must feel some kind of maybe health issues related to your eyes or mental health or your maybe shoulder pain or something. But it's our responsibility to take care of our health.
Okay.
And that can be done by doing some yoga, by doing some other exercises that are needed. Additionally, many people forget to take proper sleep of 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours. Okay. And I don't do that. I sleep early. These days I'm waking up late a bit because of my health issue a bit. But yes, I mostly take proper sleep of 8 hours. And these days, even I'm taking more than 8 hours sleep. So I think if that is taken care properly by people, their diet, their exercise, yoga, and sleep, and proper intake, water intake, would help them. So equally, again, I would say making a balance would help.
Okay. Yeah. Now, guys, I am focusing on bad thing, but she's not. मतलब मतलब हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर रेडी इनके पास बट I focus on my bad things. I focus on mobile's bad things. So now I ask to you, time spolling is my most important because when we using multiple type of when we use mobile phone and watching reels and that time we are not focused on your time. So multiple times of people waste multiple times. I like many hours and we waste our time. So that is the point. So you can tell me what the solution of this.
Okay, for everything, I would say the same solution. First is that mindfulness, how much you are careful of your health, mental health, your time, your work, your studies, everything. So, yeah, I know that many people, mostly 90% audience are like that, who scroll mindlessly and end up wasting many hours, like 5, 6 hours, if they are free, if they don't have any other responsibility. But then I am not the one who waste time there. I'm the one who utilize my time properly. Like I'm mindful that what I am watching. As I mentioned in my first question too, that I fix the hours for study purpose and for entertainment purpose. So this is how I use. So I think making a balance would help. So it is beneficial. It's not a bad thing to use a mobile phone.
Okay. Now I am thinking a bad thing
Hmm.
because my turn of bad thing. And so, okay, when we use mobile phones and when we connected to mobile most of the time, so that time we forget our family members and we not interact with family members. So what's the problem? And so
What's
that
the
is the
problem?
that is the problem of each and every person who use multiple types of mobile phone. So that time people not interact with family members and they not spend time with family members. So what is the solution of it?
The solution is simple, to just reduce the time. See, the mobile phone note is not a bad thing to use. It is a good
My hand
tool
is
for improvement, for making career, even for learning purpose. We have a lot of resources there. We have a lot of options because of mobile phone. Okay. So when it comes to, yes, I agree that when we are into these gadgets a lot, like we spend time mostly on mobile phone or some other, then we forget to interact with real people and we become less social. That I get it. And this is one I can agree with you that I also have experienced, because since I am into it, I am not spending much time with family, like not much. Like sometimes I do, but not that much, and not with friends and going out. Though it was not in me earlier also, but I used to talk to my friends a lot, but now I don't do that much. So I agree with you on that point. Yes.
okay. Now
You won here.
I won, guys. Okay.
That's a bad point. That's right. Yeah.
Yes. That is bad point and good point. And if you are follow these, if you are focusing,
Learning English.
if you're learning English and if you use mobile phone, so you're focused on learning, and that is only for a basic video, because people are wasting your time in watching reels and other content. If you are focusing on English improvement, then focus on English listening practice, reading practice, and speaking practice. So that is very helpful for you. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.